In this video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google Authenticator to crypto.com to keep your account more secure. Enabling two-factor authentication is an essential step to protect your crypto assets. Let's get started. First, click the three lines at the top left corner of the crypto.com app. This will open the main navigation panel where you can access different sections. Then, tap on your profile located at the top of the menu. This will take you to your account overview page. Next, choose Settings from the list of options you see on your screen. Here is where you can customize and secure your account preferences. After that, click on Two-Factor Authentication under the Security settings. This feature adds another layer of protection to your account. Finally, tap on Enable Two-Factor Authentication now. Follow the prompts to scan the QR code using your Google Authenticator app and confirm the code generated. And that's how easy it is to connect Google Authenticator to crypto.com. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tech tutorials. See you next time!